Today we are covering designing Microsoft Azure infrastructure solutions. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Question is, you plan to deploy Azure Databricks to support a machine learning application. Data engineers will mount an Azure Data Lake storage account to the Databricks file system. Permissions to folder are granted directly to the data engineers. You need to recommend a design for the planned Databricks deployment. The solution must meet the following requirements. Ensure that the data engineers can only access folders to which they have permissions. Minimize development effort. Minimize costs. What should you include in the recommendation? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. This is the answer area. This is the correct answer. Question is, you plan to deploy an Azure Web app named App1 that will use Azure Active Directory Azure AD authentication. App1 will be accessed from the internet by the users at your company. All the users have computers that run Windows 10 and are joined to Azure AD. You need to recommend a solution to ensure that the users can connect to App 1 without being prompted for authentication and can access App 1 only from company owned computers. What should you recommend for each requirement? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. This is the answer area. And this is the correct answer. Next question is, you need to design a storage solution for an app that will store large amounts of frequently used data. The solution must meet the following requirements. Maximize data throughput. Prevent the modification of data for 1 year. Minimize latency for read and write operations. Which Azure storage account type and storage service should you recommend? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. This is the answer area. And this is the correct answer. Next question is, you have an Azure subscription that contains the storage accounts shown in the following table. You plan to implement two new apps that have the requirement shown in the following table. Which storage accounts should you recommend using for each app? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. This is the answer area. And this is the correct answer. Next question is, you have an on-premises database that you plan to migrate to Azure. You need to design the database architecture to meet the following requirements. First, support scaling up and down. Second, support geo-redundant backups. Third, support a database of up to 75 TB. Fourth, be optimized for online transaction processing (OLTP). What should you include in the design? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. This is the answer area with correct answer.